In 1886, a cocaine-laced syrup was born. Coca-Cola began as a patent medicine. Patent medicines made up 80% of the market. Pharmacist John Pemberton invented this syrup. That same year, Atlanta enacted prohibition. They replaced the wine with soda water. Coca-Cola transformed into a refreshing beverage. Businessman Asa Candler bought Coca-Cola. In 1903, Coca-Cola removed cocaine. The ad slogan became delicious and refreshing. By 1895, Coca-Cola was sold across the U.S. They secured bottling rights for $1. This created a revolutionary franchise model. Bottling was outsourced to local partners. Coca-Cola focused on syrup and the brand. The company's assets were light, risks dispersed. Bottling plants exploded from 2 to over 1,000. Syrup shipped nationwide via rail networks. Coca-Cola was the world's largest sugar buyer. They sourced cheap sugar from U.S. territories. Extracting caffeine from tea waste slashed costs. They leveraged public water infrastructure. In 1915, the iconic contour bottle was born. The unique design made it exceptionally strong. The 5-cent price lasted over 70 years. During the Depression, Coke was an affordable treat. Marketing shifted to emotion and lifestyle. Santa's image became forever tied to Coke. During segregation, Coke was consumed by all. WWII brought Coca-Cola to U.S. troops globally. 64 portable bottling plants followed the front lines. The company president promised service to soldiers. The franchise system was an early platform business model. The company provided financial support to partners. Localized products served diverse market tastes. The company's greatest value lies in brand and system. Coca-Cola evolved from medicine to cultural icon. The core product remains the secret syrup formula. Modern bottling plants are highly automated and smart. The slogan crosses cultures and languages. Bottle design has evolved with the times. The logistics network covers every corner of the globe. Coke products are everywhere within reach. Coke integrates into every moment of daily life. The 7X formula remains the top trade secret. It created immense long-term value for shareholders. The company's mission is to refresh the world, giving back to global communities through its foundation. Committed to environmental protection and sustainability, Coca-Cola even went to space. Innovation technology drives the future of packaging. Brand culture spawned a huge collector community. Digital marketing connects with new generations of consumers. The brand integrates deeply with music, sports, and entertainment. Technology makes history immersive. Automation greatly enhances supply chain efficiency. Sustainable sourcing of ingredients is crucial. Cross-brand collaborations constantly expand influence. New flavor development is an ongoing process. Retail stores offer immersive brand experiences. Data drives global business decisions. The brand embeds itself in entertainment content. Brand maintenance requires professional crisis management. Consumers also participate in creating brand art. The company maintains high transparency with investors. Technology is changing last-mile delivery. Scientific research into the brand's emotional connection. Global employees are brand ambassadors. The archives preserve the brand's precious memory. Sports marketing builds powerful global associations. Artificial intelligence assists creative generation. The company is committed to promoting packaging circularity, listening directly to consumer voices, providing tangible aid in times of crisis. Brand value consistently ranks among the world's highest. Celebrity endorsements continually enhance brand appeal, supporting the development of the industry innovation ecosystem. User-generated content shapes the brand's modern image. Maintaining global brand consistency is paramount. The brand actively enters esports and virtual worlds, using science to understand taste and consumer preference. Programmatic advertising boosts marketing efficiency. Theme parks offer all-encompassing brand experiences. The brand has permeated culture and the arts. Global supply chain achieves real-time visual management. Addressing environmental challenges through partnership, the board plans the brand's next century. Future retail experience is highly personalized and tech-driven. Biotechnology may revolutionize ingredient production. The brand actively explores the metaverse economy. Coca-Cola, a cultural symbol transcending eras.